Ready to make your money work for you? Let K9 Investments guide you on your Forex trading journey. First things first, Forex trading is all about exchanging one currency for another. Sounds simple, right? With K9 Investments, we break it down step by step so even beginners can get the hang of it. Step 1. Get familiar with the basics. Learn the key terms like pip, lot, and spread. Trust us, knowing these will make all the difference. Step 2. Choose a reliable trading platform. We recommend starting with a demo account to practice without any risk. K9 Investments provides you with top-notch resources and expert tips. Step 3. Develop a trading strategy. Don't just dive in blindly. Plan your trades and stick to your strategy. And remember, Forex trading isn't about luck, it's about skill and knowledge. With K9 Investments, you'll gain both. Ready to start your Forex adventure? Click the link below and join K9 Investments today. Your journey to financial freedom begins now.